Now we need to find coefficient of this in this expression, x plus 2y to the power 9. We know the nth term is, we know the rth term is given by NCR a to the power n minus r, b to the power r. So the rth, let this be the coefficient of rth term. So it will be 9CR is equal to 9CR x to the power 9 minus r, b to the power of r. Now this is equal to x6, x raised to the power 6, y raised to the power 3. So to 9CR, that is 9 factorial r factorial 9 minus r factorial is equal to x to the power into x to the power 9 minus r into b to the power r is equal to x to the power 9 y to the power of 3. Now we compare both sides. X to the power something is equal to x to the power something. So we say that 9 minus r is equal to, this is 6, actually this is 6 is equal to 6. So r is equal to 3. We find the value of r. What is the coefficient? Coefficient is 9CR, that is 9C3. This is the coefficient. We just expand this and get our answer. So in this section of the chapter, we basically learn what is the rth term of an expression. Rth term of an expression is given by this. And we learn how to find the middle term of an expression. If n is odd, then there will be even number of terms and we will have two middle terms, and they will be given by n by 2 plus 1th plus n plus 1 by 2 plus 1th term. If n is even, then there will be odd number of terms and we will have only one middle term, and it will be given by n by 2 by n by 2 plus 1th term. So we just need to learn this expression in the chapter, that the rth term is given by this, and we need just keep substituting these values in our equation and keep getting our answers. Okay, so now solve the corresponding exercise to this section, and this is the last exercise of this chapter.